To switch to a margin account on Robinhood, you must first understand what a margin account is and the risks involved. A margin account allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to purchase securities. But it also comes with the potential for greater losses if the market moves against you. Step 1 is to open the Robinhood app and navigate to the account settings. This is typically found in the menu or profile section of the app. Once you are in the account settings, look for the option to upgrade to a margin account. Before upgrading, you will need to meet certain eligibility requirements, such as being at least 18 years old and having a minimum amount of equity in your account. The exact requirements may vary, so be sure to check the Robinhood website for the most up-to-date information. Once you have met the eligibility requirements, you can initiate the upgrade process. This will typically involve agreeing to the terms and conditions of the margin account, which will include information about the interest rates and fees associated with borrowing money from Robinhood. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, your account will be upgraded to a margin account. You can then begin using the borrowed money to purchase securities. But be sure to use caution and only borrow what you can afford to repay. It is also important to understand the concept of margin calls, which occur when the value of the securities in your account falls below a certain level. If this happens, you will be required to deposit more money into your account or sell some of your securities to bring the account back into compliance. To avoid margin calls, it is a good idea to keep a close eye on the value of the securities in your account and to borrow only what you can afford to repay. You should also have a solid understanding of the risks involved with trading on margin and have a plan in place for managing those risks. In conclusion, switching to a margin account on Robinhood can be a great way to increase your purchasing power and potentially earn higher returns. But it is not without risks. By understanding the eligibility requirements, upgrading your account, and using caution when borrowing money, you can help to minimize those risks and achieve your investment goals.